Now we are going to discuss about correction of the sentences. In the correction of the sentences, so many topics are there. It includes tenses part, direct, indirect speech, active voice, passive voices, and all of the grammar it includes. So, if we have to correct these correction of the sentences, we should know the all part of the grammar. Unless we don't have the knowledge of this grammar part and also parts of speech, articles and prepositions, if you don't have knowledge, you cannot able to do the correction of the sentences. If we are going to correction of the sentences, we should prepare cleanly the basic grammar. We need the basic grammar. Now we have completed totally basic grammar. So because of now we are going to deal with the correction of the sentences. The 30 correction of the sentences. Yesterday we completed vocabulary part also. Vocabulary part is the most important in our question paper. 50% will cover vocabulary part also. Vocabulary part, totally you have some vocabulary. You should know the some vocabulary like idioms, phrases, antonyms, synonyms, misspelled words also you should know some important information. Today onwards, we are going to explain one by one question papers. In the question paper, we will cover all part of the English. The sentence, none of the applicants have turned up for the interview on time. I can split into 4 parts. None of the applicants have turned up for the interview on time. The last option is 4. If we have to observe the errors in this sentence, we can choose one option. If there is no wrong, if there is no error, we can choose last option, no error. So, please observe where it is wrong, in which part wrong. Yes, none of the applicants have turned up for the interview on time. Thus, this sentence meaning is, ఒక అభ్యర్థి కూడా ఇంటర్వ్యూని క్యాచ్ చేయలేదు. According to my opinion, according to my explanation, you can catch the answer. None of the applicants have turned. Here, we should observe the subject. What is the subject? None of the applicants. None of the applicants is singular or plural? Plural. So, the subject is a plural. When the subject is a plural, have is a correct. Where is wrong? On time, in time, both are correct. If we have to put in time is correct also. On time is correct also. On time means when we reach that time. In time means getting into correct time. So, none of the applicants, already I explained you, none of the applicants, ఏ ఒక్క అభ్యర్థి కూడా, ఒక్క అభ్యర్థి, if there is yes, but the applicants is none of the applicants, ఎవరు లేరు అక్కడ. కాబట్టి ఏ ఒక్క అభ్యర్థి, ఒక అభ్యర్థి కదా నేను చెప్తాను, ఏ ఒక్క అభ్యర్థి కూడా ఇంటర్వ్యూని ఫేస్ చేయలేదు. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ సబ్జెక్ట్ is the singular. So because of here this part is wrong. Has is correct. Has turned. None of the applicants. ఇక్కడ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ ద సింగులర్, ఎస్ ఉన్నా కూడా ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఈజ్ ఈవెన్ దో యాడింగ్ ఎస్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ ద సింగులర్. సో బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద సెకండ్ పార్ట్ ఈజ్ ద రాంగ్. ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్